Hello students, today we will draw a colorful star on this stage. So come on, let's start. We will select move. Move can move this. Oopsie noodle. Now this is 10. This will cover only small steps. We have to convert this in 100 now. So come on. Next, we will come with this degrees anti-clockwise. So this can turn things, but this is very less. So we will convert it to 150. Just a sec. Yes. Now this is an important thing. We will go here. At this pen we will select. Now we will go to pen down first. Pen down work. Pen down will work with this only. So I will tell you later on. Now we will choose set pen size 2. But this is very less. So we will come in this 5. Now this will also work with this all. So I will tell you later. Change pen now. Just a sec. Just a sec, students. Now we will choose it 5. Now we will go to now looks. Looks, we will select next costume. This will all work with this. Now last we will go to control. Now this is so less, so we will convert this in 0.3. Now last, this star can work for one time only, so we will do it by 3, by forever. Now just a sec. Just a sec, students. Now this will work in a sec. So this is the magic. Okay, students, please like and subscribe. And this can hide also. Hide can also work. This and this. Okay. So students, this was the magic. Now we will press this again, so it will stop. Lekin it has one more. We can go to events and erase all. Just a sec. Now see the magic. Now it can work like this. Now it can hide also. So this was the magic, students. Okay, bye students.